Hello students, exams are around the corner and are you all worried? No, need not. Just relax. I, Asha Jyotiyam, working as a science teacher at Bapu School, I am here to give you some important tips to score 100 marks in science. Science question paper has 38 questions in the pattern 888941. What is this 888941? You will have 8 MCQs, 8 1-mark questions, 8 2-mark questions, 9 3-mark questions, 4 4-mark questions and 1 5-mark questions. The question paper is going to be divided into 3 parts. Part A, Physics, which will give you 27 marks. Part A, Physics. You have 4 chapters in Physics. The first chapter is Light, Reflection and Refraction. We may get 9 marks in this chapter. The second chapter is Human Eye and Colorful World, may give us 4 marks. Electricity, 8 marks. Magnetic effects of electric current may give 6 marks. So which concepts we need to focus here? Like Ohm's law, for Joule's law and ray diagrams, eye defects, left hand thumb rule, right hand thumb rule, and in the electricity, concept based diagrams and problems on series and parallel connections. And also we will have problems based on electric power and electric energy. Solenoid and its applications also needs to be focused, and power of lens accommodation also needs to be concentrated. Part B, Chemistry. You have only 4 chapters in chemistry. The first chapter is Chemical Reactions and Equations, which may give 6 or 7 marks. So all the types of chemical reactions you have to know, and also the diagram of electrolysis of water may give us 2 marks. And what is corrosion and methods how to prevent corrosion also to be focused. The second chapter is Acids, Bases and Salts, which may give us 6 marks. So pH in everyday life and uses of salts, that is the chemical name, scientific name, formula, the preparation and how to use it. Definitely you may get 2 to 3 marks from these salts. And also the diagram reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid will give us 3 marks. Next, metals and non-metals. This is a huge chapter and we may get 7 marks out of this. So properties of metals and non-metals, formation of sodium chloride and magnesium chloride, and the extraction of metals from ores, and also the diagram you have to focus. We may get 3 marks diagram either from acid, bases and salts or from metals and non-metals. That is action of steam on metal. The fourth chapter is Carbon and its compounds, which may give us 6 marks. We have to focus on electron dot structures and also the structures of carbon compounds, structure of cyclohexane, benzene, their molecular formulas, and also the types of chemical reactions in this chapter will give us 6 marks. Next, Part C, Biology. We have 5 chapters in Biology. First one, Life Process. We may give us 6 or 7 marks. First, mainly the diagram, the hard diagram we should know, which may give us 3 or 4 marks here, and all the concepts on nutrition and also the role of enzymes in the digestion of food and plant excretion and excretion in animals. Then control and coordination is again which gives us 6 marks here. Here the structure and function of neuron, reflex arc, reflex pathway, functions of brain, especially cerebrum, medulla and cerebellum. We have to know all these functions of the brain and also the diagram of the brain, which they may ask for 3 or 4 marks. Then we have the third chapter, How do organisms reproduce? In this chapter, we have to know all the asexual means of reproduction. They may ask in MCQ or in 1-mark question, and all the different parts and function of reproductive system, both male and female reproductive system, methods of contraception and about menstruation. This chapter also will give us 6 or 7 marks. Then we have Heredity, which is a small chapter and gives us 4 marks here. We have to know monohybrid cross, dihybrid cross, and how to determine sex in human beings. There will be a definite question out of these 3. And the last chapter is our environment, which is the easiest chapter and will give us 3 marks. What we have to know here? The differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances and all the food chains, that is forest food chain, terrestrial food chain and aquatic food chain. And also about ozone layer, how to prevent it, and what is the cause for ozone layer depletion. In this way, you have to read all the 13 chapters, understand the concepts, and the science paper is going to be very easy. Stay tuned and follow us. In the next video, we will be uploading the important questions and how to be the top scorer. Comment in science. I shall be giving you the important questions and also the important diagrams which will give you 10 to 12 marks. Thank you.